This dance is called New Friends. It's a 32 count, 4 more, improve a level line dance with 1 step change and 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, you can step the right to the side, step the left beside the right into half a rumba box forward. Right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward. Repeat with the left foot leading. So you step the left to the side, right beside left into a half left rumba box forward, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, step that left forward. That set of steps once more. Side close into a half rumba box off on the right. 7, 8. Side close step, side close step. And on a mambo step, right foot leading, so you rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, bring the right beside the left. Walk back 2 steps, back left, back right. On the and count, you're going to bring the left beside the right. You're going to go straight into some vaudeville steps. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on the diagonal, step the right back beside the left. Repeating with the left. So you cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, touch that left heel forward on the diagonal, step the left back beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo step, back, back and cross and heel and cross and heel and. Let's add that to the top. Side close, half rumba box off on the right. 7, 8. Side close step, side close step. Mambo step, back, back and cross and heel and cross and heel and. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight back on that left. Chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Cross rock left over right, recover your weight on that right. You're going to chassé back to the left, you're going to pull a quarter turn on the end. Side close, quarter turn left. That set of steps once more then. Cross rock chassé up on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock chassé, cross rock chassé, turn. Let's add that to the top. Side close half rumba off on the right. 7, 8. Side close step, side close step. Mambo step, back, back and cross and heel and cross and heel and cross rock. Right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Kick the right forward, then step the right to the side, step the left to the side. So it's a bit like a kickball change, but it's a kick side. You're then going to touch the right beside the left into a vine, stepping the right to the side, crossing the left over the right, step the right to the side, touch that left heel forward on the diagonal, step down on that left, touch the right beside the left. Tricky little set of steps right at the end there. So that set of steps once more then. Step, pivot off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, kick, side, touch and cross and heel and touch. Now you have straddling those 2 sections got the equivalent of a 3/4 of turn, because you're going to be doing your chassé quarter of a turn straight into that step, pivot half. If you need to take that out, what you can actually do, when you do that chassé quarter turn, continue to do that chassé, but instead of turning left, turn a quarter turn to the right and step back on that left. Then rather than the step pivot half, you can just do a back rock Straight in then to your kick, side, side, touch and cross and heel and touch. So non-turning step, should you need to try and take that 3/4 a turn out that straddles those two sections. Otherwise that is the end of the dance, we can get to that point, so let's put it all together. Side close, half rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, close, step, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, back, and cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, kick, side, side, touch and cross and heel and touch. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side close, half rumba off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side close, half rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side close, step, side close, step, mambo step, back, back and cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, kick, side, side, touch and cross and heel and touch, side close, step, side close, step, mambo step, back, back and cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, kick, side, side, touch and cross and heel and touch, side close, step, side close, step, mambo step, back, back, and cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, rock, chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, kick, side, side, touch and cross and heel and touch. So that's your dance. Now you have got 1 step change and 2 restarts in this dance. So your first restart comes in wall 7 after 24 counts. So you will have just done your cross rock chassé, quarter turn, and you restart at that point. So those who are actually taking out that 3/4 a turn that straddles those last 2 sections, on wall 7, when you come to do this restart, you need to do the original steps and turn yourself a quarter turn to the left. So that's your first restart. You then go into wall 8, which is the very next wall, and on that wall you have your step change and restart. So effectively your step change, rather than doing your kick side side, you just do a kick ball change and you restart at that point. So wall 7 is our 6 o'clock wall. Let's have a go at wall 7. Restart after 24 counts, straight into wall 8. Continue, 26 counts, step change, restart, so you can see how it all fits in. Side close, half rumba off on that right. 7, 8, side close, step, side close, step, mambo step, back, back and cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, rock, chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, restart, side close, step, side, close step. Mambo step, back, back and cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Step, pivot, change, kick, ball, change, restart, side, close, step. So hopefully you can see how the restart fits in on wall 7, and then that step change and restart fits in on wall 8. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough and your step change and restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, six, seven, 8. Side, close, step. Side, close, step. Mambo step, back, and cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, kick, side, touch and cross and heel and touch. Side, close, step. Side, close, step. Mambo step, back and cross and heel, cross, rock, chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, kick, side, touch and cross and heel and touch, side, close, step, side, close, step, mambo step, back and cross and heel and cross and cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, kick, side, touch and cross and heel and touch, side, close, step, side, close, step, mambo step, back and cross and heel, cross, rock, chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, kick, side, touch and cross and heel and touch, side, close, mambo, cross, rock, pivot, side, close, mambo, cross, rock, pivot, side, close, to restart wall, mambo, cross, rock, restart, mambo, step change coming up, step change, kick, ball change, restart, mambo, cross, rock, pivot, hope you managed that one.